Hey guys, so today in this video I'll show you how to restore Google Authenticator if you lost or reset your phone or if there are any other cases. So first of all, you have to install Google Authenticator on your new phone, then sign in with your Google account. If you use Authenticator for two-step verification to log into your Google account, but you can no longer access your old device, you will need to recover your Google account to get back in. To do this, go to accounts.google.com/sign-in/recovery and follow the on-screen instructions. So first of all, you need to sign in to Google Authenticator on your new phone. After that, you have to see in Authenticator on your old phone, tap to the menu icon and transfer accounts. This takes you to the export account screen. So as you can see, you can transfer your codes to a new device that has Google Authenticator. You can also create a QR code to export your codes. So after that, you will be prompted to unlock your screen using Face ID, Touch ID or PIN. Once you do so, you will see a list of accounts connected to Google Authenticator. Then you just have to select the right one and which you want to include in the transfer. This can include non-Google services as well as any Google accounts that are listed. Then tap next, scan this QR code, then scan the QR code using Authenticator on your new device, select transfer accounts, tap import accounts, then tap scan QR code. And after that, restoring specific accounts, you have to turn off and check your signed in accounts. The and here it says that the process will differ from each site, service or app, but you usually find the option to set up a new device in your security or authentication settings. Some services will display a QR code or a key that you can enter into the Authenticator app on your phone to reset it. And you can also try another way to restore access to your account. For example, if you can't log into Google because you lost your phone with Authenticator, you can recover your Google account. So for that, if you try to log in to an account that uses Authenticator, you should be prompted for your authenticator code, look around and click the try another way link. It may be worded differently. Once you log into your account, reset the link into your authenticator, log into Google Authenticator on your new device, then tap the menu account transfer codes as I have already told you. And you can also screenshot or print your QR code. And let me give you some bonus tip, like if you are logged out of a popular platform like Google or Instagram, you can use your phone number or email to regain access to that account and reset your verification method. Still have the old phone with your Google Authenticator account on it? Transfer all the information before you reset the old phone. So that's it for today guys. Till the next video.